This is an easy step-by-step way to apply your press-on nails. You can use an orange wood stick, which comes with your press-on nail kit, or an e-file if you have one, or you can just use the press-on nail itself to push back your cuticles. So be sure to push back your cuticles so that the nails fit snug, like so. Next, you'll want to gently buff the nail, just the nail bed, enough to remove any shine from the nail. This helps the glue to adhere and your press-on nail will stay on longer. After you have buffed the nail, you wipe it with alcohol. And that's going to just clean off any dust from the buffing and from cuticle care that you may have done. All of this will be included with your press-on nail kit. The cuticle stick, the buffer, and the alcohol. With your press-on kit, you will receive adhesive tabs. You'll receive half a sheet of one, that's enough for all 10 of your nails, and you'll take the appropriate size tab and apply it to your nail. Peel it off as such, and apply it directly to the nail. Press on the nail, and then peel the sheet away. Make sure that the adhesive is on there. Then grab the nail for your finger, and align with the cuticle, press on, and hold for a longer lasting hold. After you take the nail adhesive tab and put it on your nail, you can take whatever nail glue you would like and drop some on the nail itself, right here on the nail, and then stick it on your nail bed. And that's going to give you an even longer lasting hold. Instead of the press-on tabs that last about 2 to 3 days, with the glue, your press-on nails can actually last you 2 or 3 weeks. Once all of the nails are on your hand like so, you want to be sure that you do not put your hands in any water or put any cuticle oil on your hands until at least 3 hours later, okay? 1 hour will do fine, but if you want them to just stay on for at least 2 or 3 days with the sticky tabs, don't put any oil or water on your hands for 3 hours. Now, for those who use the nail glue, don't do it for an hour, and even if you go in afterward and put a little cuticle oil on your hands so that they won't be ashy, it'll still stay adhered to your hands. But yeah, you just want to make sure that the nails are actually stuck on your hands first before you get them wet or apply cuticle oil, because cuticle oil and water are actually going to be parts of removing the nails. So, you know, stick them on, enjoy your nails, and try not to get them wet for the first hour.